to show you the proper way to do some citations in the Chicago Turabian style. Let's pretend this part here is my narrative, and I have 7 different citations listed, so that means I've cited a source 7 different times. That doesn't mean they are 7 different sources. If you notice, each time that I cite a source, it goes from one number to the next. I don't repeat a 2, I don't repeat a 3, I don't repeat a 4, etc., etc. It's a new source. Let's pretend this notes is on a separate page. Okay, so here's my first source that I've enumerated. I'll make it a superscript. I'll come down here, indent 1, and this is my first source, and let's just call it Bob. Okay, then I'll go up to my next source. Here's my next source, here's 2. But let's say 2 is a completely different source. So this is another source, let's call it star. So number 3, here's my number 3 source, but let's say my number 3 is the same as my number 1. I don't put a number 1, I put this is my first source. And I cite it like I'm supposed to, and that would go there. Now let's say that 4 is the same as 3. I still give it a number 4. And I will skip that portion. We'll just call it this is the same as Bob. 5. Let's say 5 is the same as 3. So I'll cite it like that. 6, same thing. Let's say this is a new one, and I'll go ahead and write out the new source, and we'll call it skip. And then my 7th is the same, let's say as my number 3 or my number 5. So I will call it that. Okay, so I don't repeat the numbers. Good luck.